Hey guys, my name is Shikhar, your MBA buddy, and today in this video I'm going to talk about transcripts. How many you need, when you need, and can you apply without the transcripts are some of the questions that I'm going to tackle in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First and foremost, let's try and understand what is a transcript. No, it is not your degree certificate or your semester mark sheet. If I have to explain it loosely, it is your academic life, be it undergraduation or graduation, condensed in 1 or 2 sheets. It mentions about which classes you took, when you took those classes, and what were your grades in each of those classes. So basically, it's the summary of your academic life in 1 or 2 sheets. So why you need to order transcripts? Not many Indian universities issue transcripts at the time of graduation. For example, I was issued a transcript for my graduate course, but not for my undergraduate course. In fact, if you are applying to Indian B schools or for any graduation program, then probably you do not need transcripts. Your degree certificate and your semester mark sheets are enough. But if you are looking to apply to US or European B schools or any other graduation program there, then probably it's a good idea to keep your transcripts handy because they stress on transcripts much more than they do upon the other documents. So when you should have transcripts and how many transcripts should you order? No matter from which university you belong to, it does take extra effort and money to order additional transcripts. So it is always a good idea to order a few extra transcripts than you actually require. So in my case, I was applying to 6-7 USB schools and all I needed was a soft copy of my transcripts. Although I applied without the transcripts to these schools, and I will tell you in a moment how I did it, but even if I had transcripts, all I needed was a soft copy. So no matter how many USB schools you are applying to, be it 6, 7 or 8, all you need is the soft copy of your transcripts. So it is not a bad idea to have just 2 or 3 set of transcripts ordered from your university. Also, when you are ordering your transcripts, ask your university to send it in a sealed envelope. This might require you to pay extra money or put in extra effort to answer questions such as for what purpose you are ordering the transcripts, which university you will be sending these transcripts to, the address of the university, and so on and so forth. But in the long run, it is really helpful when you have to send the hard copies of these transcripts to the university or the school from which you have accepted the offer. And now for the $1 million question, how did I apply to USB schools without having a transcript? So at the time of the application, I did not have my transcripts for my undergraduate course. Partly because I ordered transcripts late and partly because my university is slow in processing the request for the transcripts. So I created a PDF having my degree certificate and semester mark sheets ordered in a chronological way. I uploaded this PDF in place of the transcripts. To my surprise, none of the B schools showed any reservation. So I assumed they were okay with the document that I had submitted. But I would suggest you use this trick only if you do not have transcript at the time of your application, because it is always recommended to use the transcripts rather than any other document. Different universities require you to follow different processes to order transcripts. But if you are interested to know how to order transcripts from WBUT or BITS Pilani, then write it in the comment box below. I will sure to make a separate video on that. But for the time being, this is what I had to share with you in terms of the transcripts. So if you found any value in this video, then hit that like and subscribe button. Until my next video, stay safe.